just about gonna be. Kind of looks janky on the video.
Looks like we're doing some real, just like janky work.
You talked to Johnny at all today?
No, I haven't.
So you could get the mount bolts here.
Oh yeah, you're right. I
How
should
this
do
light
that.
comes off.
So there's
That bolt.
one.
2, 3, and you gotta just peel this thing back to get it out under that. And then it just sits right in that mount. Just no bolt.
Oh, that doesn't have a bolt or anything.
No bolt.
All right.
Yep. And then in here, there's our epoxy job of what you can see. Took some video of the other side too.
Mas fuerte.
That's pretty good, dude.
Should work.
Honestly, stuck on there good. Okay.
And it's just not gonna be great.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Okay.
So what's in here? The electrical?
Yeah, one electrical clip that clips into the bumper
Oh, there we go.
right back here.
Nice.
And then a bunch of little clips. Okay, and then I think I can also just... Okay, feel how tight this is? About that tight.
Oh, that's not.
That's
super
about all
tight.
you need. Nope.
Okay.
So there's 1, 2 more, and then there's a bunch on the bottom right here. I'm gonna go get the other side set in. But yeah, don't go like any tighter than
Okay.
that. 10, I don't